Hi, my name is Gracie Gau, and our project is studying the effects of bird feeders and whether or not they affect bird populations. The purpose of this experiment was to test if bird feeders are effective in increasing bird populations in an area. We counted bird population in varying locations with and without bird feeders to collect data.
I'm Donovan Knipp, and throughout the experiment there were multiple variables that we had to control, including the weather, time of day, and season. To record the most accurate result, we selected the days this spring season with the most similar weather conditions and temperature. We also chose the days within a week time period.
I'm Mitchell McFall. We went to 2 different locations to get accurate results. At both of the locations we conducted 2 trials, one in an area with a feeder and another without a bird feeder. On the first location with a feeder, both trials 1 and 2, we counted 9 birds. The location 2 without a bird feeder was recorded with 4 birds on trial 1 and 6 birds on trial 2. The third location with a feeder contained 7 birds for trial 1 and 10 birds for trial 2. The fourth location without feeders counted 6 birds in trial 1 and 4 for trial 2.
The results of this experiment proved our hypothesis that bird feeders would increase populations in an area versus one without. This experiment affects agriculture because increasing bird populations helps with pest control, seed dispersal, pollination, and several other ecosystem services.
Throughout the project, we had to make multiple changes for the experiment. The first one being not recording what species we saw. We excluded this from the experiment because we did not have enough time to identify the bird without missing another one in the area to count.
Also, we do not have all of the bird species memorized completely. To keep the results accurate, we only counted songbirds in the area and did not record any woodpeckers, hawks, or any other bigger birds.
The second change we made was a change in location. At first, we were going to use Bruckner Nature Center as one of our sites, but after visiting there, we realized it would not be similar enough to other locations because there was twice as many bird feeders where there were different sites of seeds than the other locations.
So instead of Bruckner Nature Center, we used personal property with more similar characteristics to Allwood.
Somebody else could follow up on our research in multiple ways. One way would be to determine which type of seeds attracts more or certain species. Another way a follow-up research project could be done is by testing if an increase in bird population would increase overall species diversity. That is all we have, and thank you for watching.